Hey guys, we're at the foldable bike shop here in Thong Lor. We're just near the Phrom Phong BTS down there. Getting myself a little folding bike. So I'm getting this model here. It's about $300, 10,000 baht. I'm getting a black one. He's assembling it for me. Another 1,000 baht for the raised seat post. This one over here, I think is the battery version of what I'm getting. That's a little heavy. I want to be able to carry it. But if you want to be able to ride around, I rode this thing. I might get it. It's about 60,000 baht. It does need a license plate. That's another $300. So it's 60,000 total, I think. There it is assembled. It does seat two. I sat on the back. I can fit, but it's pretty cool. So anyway, my fine young friend here is putting together my bicycle. About 10 minutes, and we'll pay it, and we'll get out of here. This thing is a little bit wobbly because it folds easy, but he said you can tighten it up a bit, just less easy to fold. So we'll try that. But yeah, come on down, try these guys out. Seem pretty cool. And we'll give you one more shot of where we're at. There's the Miracle Mall with the tops and the Toyota dealer over there in Sukhumvit. And Phrom Phong BTS. Okay, just a quick one today.